All right, people. I have got the timing chain out of a Ninja 250. First thing I had to do is back here, I had to break this little thing out because that was holding it. Then I had to trim this piece right here a little bit, and I have the timing chain. Now this is a junk motor I bought from the junkyard, and this, all the timing chain broke in here, and it already messed up that little thing back in here, so I'm gonna have to break the rest of that out and then probably trim this little piece here, and then I'll put the new timing chain in. That's what the top of the motor looks like. All right, later.